Imagine you have a flight to catch and your map says it takes about an hour to get to the airport. But you know that time can vary. That's because in heavy traffic it will take you 1.5 hours to reach, but with clear roads just 45 minutes. Investing too works the same way. Hi everyone and welcome to Centrishala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about ICICI Prudential Equity Minimum Variance Fund NFO. The NFO period starts from 18th November 2024 to 2nd December 2024. Now let's understand the logic behind Minimum Variance Fund. The logic of a Minimum Variance Fund is to focus on companies that can give predictable growth and predictable returns. Two stocks or two portfolios with similar returns in the last 1 year can be entirely different. If given a choice between a 25% return with 15% variance and 25% returns with 30% variance, which would you choose? Intuitively, you would go for the first one because your effort is to maximize the return per unit of risk, and that is much easier in the first one than in the second fund. Now let's understand why risk matters a lot more today. The portfolios are getting tilted towards risk compared to returns for various reasons like FPI flows, heightened geopolitical tensions, slow growth earnings, and high valuations, etc. Now let's talk about how valuations are reasonable in the large cap space. Since 2015, there hasn't been a single calendar year in the market that has given negative returns, and hence the current expectations have gone higher over the years. Over the last couple of years, people have moved their investments to multi, flexi, and large caps and mid cap categories. Large caps haven't seen much flow. Now is the time to build large caps as the probability of large caps doing better is way too high than the other categories. Also, the FIIs or the foreign institutional investors have taken out around 1200 billion predominantly from mega and large caps, which are expected to come back, and large caps are their favorite. Over the last 10 years, the overall market cap in large cap has drastically fallen down around 20%, whereas mid and small cap has increased 6% and 12% respectively, which shows that there is a valuation comfort in large cap space in current market scenario. Now let's understand how this low variance approach helps. Due to a low volatility and low drawdown, the approach has created better experience. The objective of using Nifty 100 Low Volatility 30 TRI is to give a broad understanding of volatility. However, the endeavor would be to actively manage the portfolio within the Nifty 50 basket over and above variance as a factor, as you can see in the chart. Now let's talk about the 3-year rolling return daily basis from April 2005. Based on the 3-year rolling return daily basis from April 2005, the risk-adjusted return of Nifty 100 Low Volatility 30 TRI is higher in comparison to major indices. Now let's understand about the fund strategy. ICICI Pru Equity Minimum Variance Fund invests in 30 to 35 large cap companies with low volatility and low variance with better risk-adjusted returns. If we talk about the scheme details, so it is an open-ended equity scheme following minimum variance theme with a minimum investment of Rs 5,000, entry load not applicable, and exit load if less than 12 months, 1% of the applicable NAV, and if more than 12 months, nil. Their fund managers are Vaibhav Dusad, for overseas investment, Nitya Mishra. Well, this was all about the ICICI Prudential Equity Minimum Variance Fund. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.